Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We had a DBlocks ride out in Tampa. I got the electric bike. We got the homies in the back. Tons of riders. It's gonna be flipping insane. So let's get into it.
I'm gonna burn you up.
Bro, he ain't gonna burn me up. No way. Wasn't me, bro. Swear to God. Swear to God. Swear to God. Let's go.
I've been seeing your videos how you standing on the little pit bike.
On the pit bike? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, you know I can't keep up with that.
I love that C100, man.
God damn. He making that thing look smooth. Woo, with the one hand. Talking about, boys. Woo. Let's go. Okay, Eric. Let's go. Fire. Yo, gang, we are literally taking over this city, bro. On the real, bro. Look at everyone behind us. Look at who's coming in. Oh, my bad. Woo! What, the 350? Let's go. Sir. Ooh! Let's go. Homie was killing it with that combo. What's up? Touch. I can't, bro. I got a handbrake. What you want me to do? Loop it? I do a throttle. Man, everyone out here going crazy. One wheel went down. You good?
I stepped on the pole.
Yeah, I seen.
I heard you hit it. I was like, fuck. You got pads on it.
Yo, so we ain't the only Sur-on rider out here. We got the other homie right there and the one wheel, so that's a vibe. Let's go! I don't understand that one wheel thing, bro. It looks wild. Yeah. I bet. Marksman? Yeah, I got it. Let's go! Bro, that was, I like the hop with that one. That was nice. Woo! Always. Let's go! Yo! Bro, yeah, homie riding that shit like a dirt bike. I see you riding that thing like a dirt bike. Yeah. Hey, where's your helmet at? Yeah, you do. Oh, this is so cute.
to go to full way, but I didn't want to hit you.
Bro, this is cute, man. I gotta get this on camera. Bro, relationship goals right here, baby. For real. What do you want to say to the MB gang right now?
There's only one thing to do. There's only one thing to say. Subscribe. And like the video so way other people can see this hot fire too. Stop playing.
Oh my God, he just swerved it.
She know what happened. She got hit. She called the paramedics.
Yeah, he's cool as shit. Oh my. Oh my Lord.
Yeah, I got you.
Bro, it's so easy on this electric bike just to go to the front of the pack since everyone's pedaling. I just, hit the throttle a little bit, do a little wheel ski, and I'm at the front. Let's go. Yes, sir. What we talking about, boy? Whoa, yeah. Woo. Cutting up, bro. Oh, there's a cop right there.
Start it up!
go. Yeah, there. Everyone. Woo. I want to put in that work. Let's go.
You know we outside,
We're lit,
baby.
boy. Yes, sir. Hey, you got a new bike.
Oh yeah.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't hit my back, please. Sir. Let's go, Coggy. Oh, yes, sir, boy. That's what we're talking about. Shoo! Yeah, I think they're turning the other way, brother. Yeah, we really out here.
Did he make the curfew is the question.
Huh?
Did he make the curfew?
What you gotta say right now?
Bringing the little kids home.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, we were dropping them off.
Oh, I didn't know.
Or telling his parents where he was going. I don't know.
Yo,
The little one.
yeah,
The little huffy.
I didn't know that. So literally, we stopped here to drop off a kid. Can I get through here? Chilling. Let's go.
Hit that front tire.
It's hard to go there. Yes, sir. Let's go. You're going 27 miles per hour right now, bro. Let's go, everyone out here. Hear that tune? You're tuning that thing. Woo! Yo, so I'm starting to get a little bit of like an electric tune on this bike. It's sort of weird because you're tuning it and then 1 second you tune it again. What the hell is that? And it just like launches you back. So that's a little weird. But yeah, I don't know. It's still a vibe being out here on this bike. Where that no hands at? Let's go! That's sick. Yes, sir! Yo, everyone coming through. Let's go! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Steezy out here. Let's go!
If I get a marker, you can sign my bike.
You want me to ruin your bike, bro?
I want you to sign that.
I'll sign it, but my signature isn't pretty. Bro, y'all don't want me signing your bikes. Like, look, look at that. Steezy, my boy. I'm out of here.
Yeah, you didn't ride that thing yet, bro.
Ride it right now, ride it right now. Come on. Be careful on it though, bro. Because if you loop it, this thing ain't surviving. It's gonna be in pieces. Just be careful, take it calm. Have you ridden one before?
Hey, that gave him a little more confidence.
A little, just a little, bro. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This freaking pedal bike ride out was dope. Remember, stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. We got a little unequal length headers going on right there. Love you, gang. Till next time. Peace.